In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Namecheap password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your password regularly is essential for keeping your online accounts secure, and Namecheap is no exception. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. First things first, you'll want to head over to your favorite search engine, most likely Google. In the search bar, type Namecheap and hit Enter. This will bring up the official Namecheap website along with other helpful resources. Go ahead and click on the link that leads you to their official site. Once you're on the Namecheap website, look for the option that says Log in to your account. It's usually pretty prominent, so you shouldn't have too much trouble spotting it. Click on that link, and you'll be directed to the login page. Now it's time to enter your username and password. If you remember your password, that's great. Simply type it in alongside your username and hit the Sign In button. But if you're having a brain freeze and have forgotten your password, don't worry, you're not alone. Should you find yourself on the login page with an incorrect password alert, look for the option that says Forgot Username or Password. This link will guide you to the next steps for password recovery. Click on it now. You will be taken to a page where you can reset your password. Here, you will need to enter either your username or the email associated with your Namecheap account. Type that in and click on the Reset Password button. Once you do this, check your email for a message from Namecheap. This email will contain a link to reset your password. Click on that link, and it should take you directly to the password reset page. Now, you will need to create a new password. Think about using something strong and secure, perhaps a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've come up with a new password, type it into the designated field. It's essential to enter your new password twice. The first entry is to create it, and the second is to confirm it. Make sure both entries match to avoid any confusion later on. After both fields are filled out, look for a button that says Change Password or something similar, and click on that. Great! You should now see a confirmation message saying, Your new password has been set. You can log in to your account with the new password. It's always a good feeling to get this step completed. Next, let's proceed to the login page once again. Click on the Sign In option on the home page, and this time you'll enter your newly set password. Type in your username and the fresh password you just created. Once that's done, click the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you will be prompted to enter a code. Check your authentication app, type in the code provided, and click Submit to complete the login process. Congratulations! You should now be logged into your Namecheap account with your new password. Remember, maintaining secure passwords is vital for protecting your information online. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Namecheap password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.